Okay, in this video, I want to talk about numerics problems with ltspice. So here is just a simple common emitter amplifier. So we can run this, and you see we get a sinusoidal output from a sinusoidal input. So now we're going to go in here, and we're just going to decrease this amplitude by a factor of 0 and rerun this. And I look at my output, and it doesn't look right. And so I go over and look at the input. Oh, well, I put in a sine wave. Why isn't this a sine wave? It's some weird problem here. So the problem is that this input is so small that it's having problems doing its numerical calculation because all these equations are nonlinear equations. So in order to solve this, we click up here on Simulate and hit Control Panel. This part here that talks about compression talks about all of these tolerances. So relative tolerance, absolute tolerance, and absolute current tolerance. And so what these are doing is they're saying I'm going to do a calculation until I'm within this tolerance. Well, now the problem is that the calculation, the tolerance, it stops doing its calculation before it's got an accurate one. So when I get these, I'm going to make these smaller. So this is 10 to the minus 5. I'm going to make that one 10 to the minus 7 and make this 10 to the minus 11. So I just made them a little bit smaller. And then I do this, and now you see it's nice and sinusoidal again, and everything works out. So sometimes when our amplitudes get really small, we have to increase the tolerance to get it to work out right.